Sa COA report ng OVP, may nakareport na laptops worth 3.9 million. Wow, grabe no? Pero ito ang mas grabe. Nung na-question sila about the laptops, biglang sabi ng OVP, nagkamali lang daw ng report. Yung 3.9M na laptop sa COA report, hindi daw naman talaga laptop yon. Photocopiers daw yon. At hindi daw nila binili. Donation daw. Staff error lang daw yun nangyari. Nagkamali lang daw mag-encode yung tao nila. Ganun ba yun? Okay, sa COA rules, kapag nagkamali ang pag-report ng government assets, especially worth millions, hindi pwedeng typo lang yan. Immediately, red flag yan for malversation, falsification of public documents, graft and corruption, inefficiency, and neglect of duty. Kasi isipin mo, kung hindi ito napansin at hindi na-question, lalabas sa COA report na gumastos ang office ng 3.9 million for laptops na wala namang ganung daw binili. It becomes part of the national audit books. It becomes part of the official government records. Congress will rely on it during the budget hearings, no? Kaya pag donated ang items, merong strict COA process yan. May deed of donation, may entry. Kaya kung tama ang naging proseso, it is impossible na maging laptops worth 3.9 million ang donated photocopiers. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, either hindi maayos ang proseso or may nangyaring hocus-pocus. In government accounting, you don't accidentally create a 3.9 million laptop process. You don't accidentally classify a donation as a disbursement. You don't accidentally list millions worth of assets in the wrong category. Merong mali, di ba? Kaya grabe ang error na yan. Multi-million financial entry yan. Processed by the staff, reviewed by supervisors, submitted to the COA, entered into the official accounts. Kaya ang hirap maniwala na minor error lang. Ano sa tingin nyo?